Hello and welcome to our channel NIIR Project Consultancy Services. Are you interested in beginning a new manufacturing business or expanding an existing one, or simply learning more about how to start a business in a number of industries? Well then, you have arrived to the right location and you must watch the complete video with us. Do you want to start business in E-Rickshaw Assembling Unit? Well, today, here you get to know about E-Rickshaw Assembling Unit by us. NPCS is a well-known technical consultancy that focuses on project reports compilation, and we have been following a tight system and procedure to assure only top quality in accordance with our clients' expectations in this rapidly increasing and changing market. Well, today we will show you how to begin E-Rickshaw Assembling Unit. An e-rickshaw or electrical rickshaw is a battery-powered vehicle that is designed as a three-wheeled human transport. When it comes to manufacturing an e-rickshaw, there are multiple stages and processes involved. The main components of an e-rickshaw includes body, battery, speed controller unit, charger, and electric motor. An e-rickshaw is manufactured by using these components and other parts that come with it in one box or tray. While manufacturing process of body requires sheet metal cutting technology, electric motors motorization requires special expertise. Global market size of e-rickshaw. E-rickshaws are battery-operated three-wheeled electric transport. The global market size of e-rickshaws is estimated at $15 billion in 2015, which will reach $35 billion by 2025, with a CAGR of 6.1% between 2016 and 2025. E-rickshaws are widely used for transporting people around cities in emerging economies like India, China, and Vietnam. Increasing urbanization has led to rapid growth in demand for e-rickshaws across these economies. In addition, increasing number of automobile accidents have been observed due to high levels of pollution. To combat rising air pollution levels, governments have been encouraging people to switch from private vehicles into public transports such as e-rickshaws and other forms of public transports that run on alternative fuels such as electricity or biofuels. How NPCS can help you? The E-Rickshaw Assembling Unit is one among the reports on projects prepared by NIIR Project Consulting Services. The report covers every aspect in business, from studying the market, verifying the availability of different necessities like machinery and plant raw materials, and forecasting the financial needs. The report prepared by NPCS has been beneficial to the engineers and project managers and companies that provide industrial consultancy services not only in India but also around the world. With its project reports on different business plans, NPCS is also publishing technology, technical, reference, self-employment and startup books, directory of industry and business database, as well as many more, which you can find on our official website. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. If you have enjoyed our video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more similar videos. Also, click on the bell icon. Please visit to our website. For further information, contact us at You can follow us on other social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Google My Business, ScribeD, SlideShare. Links are given below in the description. So, see you again. Till then, goodbye.